got new hair again. I'm basically going to show you how to achieve this look. It is a wig. So I'm going to make the wig on camera for you. So if you want to see how to make this wig, please stay tuned. If you love this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Send it to all your friends and show up here again for more content. Thanks!
So let's start with some of the things you'll need. You'll need a crochet wig cap, a wig head, and some crochet hair, crochet needle, pick, and shears. Your crochet cap will have combs on either side and one in the front. So you'll put that on your wig head with the, and one in the back, sorry. And so you'll put that on your wig head with the combs to the side and one in the back so you know how to shape your wig. So for this, you do it regular crochet style. You stick the crochet needle through the hole and you pull the hair through, make a loop, and pull through that. Now, the hair that I'm using is Model's 3X Aloha hair in 16 inches. It's very thick and voluminous. Yeah. So after I did like a couple of those with the full volume of each strand, I started to separate them out into smaller strands, because the goal of this is to have a full head of hair, and you really don't need to fill in each little small circle or whatever, because you're gonna pick it out, you're gonna make it bigger. So pick that hair apart, fill it in as you go, fill in the naked areas, but you do not have to fill every single little hole. Like, it's just not necessary. So by now I had found my little rhythm, you know what I'm saying? Like, I was getting into a pattern and I was filling everything in, starting with the perimeter. I was making sure that there was hair all around my perimeter so that my wig band was not visible. And then I was building on that, going towards the crown of my head. One, because if I ran out of hair, nobody's gonna have a drone looking at the top of my head, so it won't matter if it's a little thin in the top. But I just wanted to make sure that I was able to fill everything in. And I did have more hair, but I was not trying to use more than maybe 2 packs because it's just so much hair. And I did want to give drama, but not that much drama. Hey, how y'all doing? So now it's time to give her some character, give her some personality. So I started to pick out all the sections so that it wouldn't look like individual little strands of hair. Just picking it out, making it all full. And then I started to cut some, but I realized that it would be best if I put it on my head so that I could get the right length and for the bangs and for it to sit on my shoulder. So here I am with the wig on and with no chapstick or lip gloss on. Sorry, that's good. But I'm cutting either in a downward motion or an upward motion because I did not want the wig to be straight across. Like, I was not going for a afro bob, like, no thank you. So making sure that I cut at an angle keeps the wig kind of full and not square, if that makes sense. And here we are with the finished look. It's big, it's dramatic, it's messy, I love it, and it's gonna take great pictures. I hope this was helpful. Now go make you one and go be fabulous.